Hello. So for the two corporations I chose, I did Spotify and SoundCloud as two streaming websites. So Spotify's mission statement says, "Our mission is to unlock the potential of human creativity by giving a million creative artists the opportunity to live off their art and billions of fans the opportunity to enjoy and be inspired by it." And then SoundCloud's mission statement says, "Our mission is to empower the world's audio creators with the best tools, services, and resources to build and grow their careers." I personally think that if I were unbiased looking at both of these mission statements, I would personally choose to put my money towards Spotify because I feel like it's more appealing to the audience and I feel like it's more genuine and seems to be more caring towards people. So, yeah, that's it.